What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we help people start and grow six-figure cleaning companies. But today, I'm not here to talk about that. Today, I want to talk about the sacrifice that's required in order to be successful. You know what I mean? Like, are you willing to go that extra mile? And so today, I found an old clip that I posted in 2017. I want to share it with you because I really went in on it, right? Because I was living through that. All of the small sacrifices you got to make in life. And I ain't talking about like no Illuminati sacrifice, right? I'm talking about real things like decisions, man. The real decisions that we face every single day. That if you don't make the right decision, it can change your life in a whole different path. So let's cut to the intro and then we're going to get right into it.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
What's up, YouTube? AJ Simmons here, and I just want to talk about how far are you willing to go in order to achieve your goals. A lot of people won't step outside their comfort zone, but they think that things are supposed to change. You keep doing the same things that you've always been doing, but yet you keep thinking that you're going to get different results because we've been tricked at an early age. We were tricked and told that if you work hard, then you can get what you want. And it's like, yes, you can work hard, but you gotta be working hard on productive things. You can't be working hard on the same things you've been working on your entire life to get what you already got. You just gonna get more of the stuff that you already got the harder you work, right? So ask yourself, how far are you willing to go? You know what I mean? Like, personally, I'm willing to do anything in order to conquer my goals. You know what I mean? Like, for the most part, obviously, anything that won't hurt another person for the most part. You know what I mean? I try to stay in my lane, but I'll do anything. You know what I mean? I move out of state, as you can see. You know what I mean? I'll accept extremely large business, even if I don't think I'm prepared for it. I'll try to find a way to level up and make it work. You know what I mean? I even go back to working, as you've seen, I didn't even went back to working a job, which is like against my religion, right? I told my mom that earlier. She said, well, what's your religion? I said, me. You know what I mean? Like, I made that up myself. I really don't believe in working a job for somebody else when I can work for my own company and build my own wealth versus building somebody else's. But sometime along your journey, you got to do what you got to do. You got to sacrifice, and you might have to build somebody else's company temporarily in order to get the funds so you can continue reinvesting in what you need to invest in for yours. You know what I mean? And it's okay. You gain valuable experience, and also you get money so that you can put it to work, right? Because you don't want to be a slave to money. You want the money to be a slave for you and make that money work for you. All right? Money is a beautiful slave, but it's a horrible master, right? So you want to start making that money work for you and stop working so hard for money all the time. Everybody, y'all think that y'all gonna start a business and still be able to like do everything that everybody else is doing still. You can't have both. I'm telling you, if you keep trying to do both, you keep trying to keep up with the Joneses, get all the new cars at the same time everybody else get a new car. You keep trying to go out every time everybody else want to go out to all the different events in your local city. That's why I would say you can move, man. If you can move, move. Get away. Like, if you come from the hood or if you come from a background that ain't that great, get away from those people. Separate yourself. You know what I mean? Like, even when I'm still in the city that I'm from, still living there, you could barely tell that I was there because I stayed off the scene. You know what I mean? Every now and then, it was very, 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 very rare that I ever stepped out and participated in any of the parties and different functions and stuff. You know what I mean? Because I was so busy just trying to get it. I'm trying to grind. I ain't got nothing to prove to those people. I'm trying to make a stamp on this world. Forget trying to make a stamp just locally and being known as, you know what I mean, a hustler or somebody in the local area. I'm trying to be somebody in this world. You know what I mean? I want to make an impact on the world. I'm not trying to be popular. Like, the popularity contest was for high school. You know what I mean? It's like, at this point, it's just about building that value for the world, like building for other people, making other people's lives better. You know what I mean? And so you got to ask yourself, if that's really what you want that fame, you want that success, you want that money, whatever it is that you're grinding for, whatever it is that you want, ask yourself, how bad do you want it and how far are you willing to go for it? You know what I mean? If you can't give up the cable bill so you can invest that money somewhere else, then maybe you don't want it better. You know what I mean? If you can't give up eating out every day, if that's what you know what I mean? And I'm not all about decreasing, cutting back either, because really what I'm about is, if you really want to eat out every day, well, find a way to increase your income so you can eat out every day. You know what I mean? Just do it, level up. And sometimes you got to take a step back and say, all right, let me stop this so I can put this money into this and then flip it, and then I can go back up, right? You know what I mean? So just do what makes sense, dog. That's the bottom line. Do what makes sense. If you know that you got, like if you were to clean, you got a cleaning business and you know that you got 5 buildings to clean right now tonight, don't procrastinate. Just go get it done. I mean, don't worry about if you're gonna miss the family event. You know what I mean? Y'all had a dinner at Big Mama house every weekend. You know what I mean? You ain't gonna miss nothing. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta work on you. Sometimes you can't go to the family function. Sometimes you can't go to the cookout. You can't do it. There's a lot of stuff that you gonna have to separate yourself and do different, because you want different things if you truly want it. Now, if you don't truly want it, then your actions gonna reflect that. You know what I mean? So ask yourself, how far are you willing to go? Remember when Diddy had that show Making the Band he used to have, and he said that he made them people walk to a whole nother borough in New York. Now, I'm not from New York. I don't know how far they walked, but I know it was a long ass ways. You know what I mean? I listened to Diddy motivational rants and stuff, and he said you got to be willing to walk to another city, another state, another country. You know what I mean? In order to get the things done that you want to get done. You know what I mean? So ask yourself, are you willing to do that? And then if you saying yes, then make sure that your actions reflect that. That's my favorite phrase. Make sure your actions reflect it. Whatever you want, just make sure your hustle match up to that, man. That's all I'm saying. So AJ Simmons here. I'm checking in with y'all Saturday grind. Y'all already know. I told y'all I'm coming every day for the rest of the year. Closing this 2017 out strong. Share my videos. Let's get us to 10,000 subscribers before the year's over. If you watch this video, I need you to share this video to 5 different times, all right? Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, anywhere. I don't care where you share it at. Google Plus, you know what I mean? But share these videos. Tell somebody. Text the link to somebody that need to hear this, all right? And by the way,
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.